back with another video. After a long time, I am back with a custom ROM review, and which is Voltage OS 2.0 Android 13. And this is the last build I had, and I thought I should share with you guys, so that's why I'm making that video. And let's get it started. And first of all, let me show you from the settings. And I just really want to thank Aditya for this last build actually. And of course that was the official one. Here is the maintainer name and security update, which is November, and November update, which is a bit disappointed because November has a freezing issue of Gcam, so that's why if you can neglect that part, of course that ROM will be a great choice for you. And this is official, of course. And here we have the system settings as usual. Languages and input, by default we have Google keyboard, and we have the gesture customization and navigation pill bar. You guys can see I am already using, which is customizable. Let's go to settings, and pill length and pill radius can be customized. Then we have the swipe 3-finger and 100 mode and screenshot, other things as usual. And the things device settings, you guys already know about that. And by default we have the Moto Dolby Atmos support, so that's why we don't need that MI sound enhancer or MI sound device settings, whatever you can say. And when you are using your earphones or earpiece or earbuds, whatever, then you guys can change the earpiece gain and headphone gain, microphone gain, everything can be changed. Then we have location, and as usual security, of course. The important things, we have the fingerprint, which is really fast and accurate. And more security setting, we have the app lock. If you want to lock an application, then of course it's working fine. Then as usual the accessibility settings, and I don't want to waste your time by showing these things. As usual I always keep showing this. And here is the change of wallpaper option. By default you guys will get that wallpapers, and which is from Voltage OS, of course, and there is nothing. Then we have the dark theme and themed icons and a grid system icon packs. You guys can change from here: outline and field and Dora, newly added PUI, whatever. Then we have the system fonts, some collections are available. Then as usual we have the display settings and lock screen and other things, and color boosted or saturated adaptive can be changed, and double tap to wake working perfectly, and I'm using that ROM for some days. I am really satisfied with that. And sound and vibration, as usual, the regular customizations available. Most importantly, we have the smoothness in that ROM. Then we can talk about the power hub, that means the customization hub, whatever you want to say. And we have here the status bar as usual, and we have network traffic, and which is perfectly working without any issue. Then we have the clock style and mic and camera privacy indicator, which is a green indicator on the top right corner. And battery style can be changed, battery styles and battery percentage. And we have another battery percentage, battery level system here, and battery estimate can be changed. And we have other things: 4G icon, roaming, and combined signal icons, small mobile tap icons, and status bar items. As usual we have the quick settings and position. Quick settings, brightness slider, show always, just like this. Brightness slider was on the top, now it's in bottom. Footer alerts and secure key styles require unlocking. That's important, very very important feature. Then we have the edit tiles icon and data uses as usual. So let me show you that data uses. Here is the data uses. And brightness control as usual, buttons, lock screen and power menu. Then we have screenshot can be added, settings can be added, lockdown can be added. These are the things. Then we have the notification settings as usual, the annoying notifications, and hey, we have the make heads up less annoying. You guys can use that feature as well. And we have the miscellaneous, as it is Voltage OS. We have unlimited Google Photos storage, and we have unlocking higher FPS in games. You guys can do that things. And smart pixel, very important things. Personally I prefer this one. And volume steps can be customized. These are the customizations. Now let's talk about the smoothness and other things, and what's new in that call dialer or whatever dial applications, just go to settings and go to sound and vibration, and you guys can see here the auto call recording option. Just enable that feature and auto call recording will work perfectly without any issue. So that's great thing. And the smoothness is just in front of you. You guys can easily use. And here is the smoothness, another level. No issues with that. Now let me show you. Here is the results of your YesNAC, that means the safety net, which is passed by default without any issue. You guys can use any banking application or an official application, no issues. And here is the CPU throttling result, and which is 95% and really great. These are the things to show. And another things I think I missed, and which is Geekbench score, and single core is 259 and the multi-core is 1120 as usual, which is not bad. As Android 13 it's go, no issues with that. And we by default we have that camera. By default you guys will get this one and another one, which is Google Camera Go. Both cameras are available and both are working fine, but we have issues with the Google Camera. If you install separately, then you guys will get a freezing issue, because only night sight is working in that Gcam and other things are not working, like portrait, and it's freezing because the November security update. That's an issue. And if you can sacrifice that security update, then of course you guys can easily use that. Here you guys can see camera isn't responding. That means Google Camera you cannot use. In one word, you cannot use. So that's the issue. And we have other things like we can screen record and other necessary things, dark theme, hotspot, extra dim, smart pixels, all are perfectly working and there is no issue. And here is that thing, the advanced features. You guys can go to recovery, bootloader, and system UI as usual. So these are the things. And if you like that work, then to subscribe and hit the bell icon. And thank you for watching.